So we are here in the front of Farenhyt Panel, Honeywell 2100. Today we will show you how to clear the event history of the panel. Okay, so first you have to log in. Okay, so press right arrow and then log in, you press enter. Okay, so you go to user, down arrow, press enter. You go to installer, which is number 2, up arrow, enter. First, press the password or code. Okay, go direct to system test. Okay, enter. Go to number and check with the clear history buffer. So you can clearing the history of the fire event. It's either supervisory, trouble, and fire event. So you are now, and then go to exit, left arrow, left arrow, left arrow, until the system will be back to normal operations. So this is the way we clear the event history of the Triga or Farenhyt 2100, model number IFP 2100. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye-bye.